All right. Hello again, everyone. So I will like to share my screen, my full screen. So this will close. All right. Thanks for joining our next session or next lesson for a free online lesson, Acad Senin Berhad. Okay, for today's topic, we are focusing on Inventor for those that have a very basic skills or they want to learn about the advanced skill. So this topic is good for everyone, basically. So before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Shafiq Farhan. And for those that join us from our Facebook Live, so most welcome everyone. And also for those that join our Zoom meeting, okay, so you can, if you're interested to join into our Zoom meeting live, so later what you can do, you can go to our website. This will be our main page, landing page for our website, acadsystems.com. Okay, when you scroll a little bit, okay, this will be the review from customer, previous customer. So attended the free webinar session this afternoon titled AutoCAD versus Inventor, and it helped me a lot. So this will be the previous expression from our previous customer that joined our free online lesson. Okay, if you're interested to join our free online lesson through our Zoom live, so you can go to scroll a little bit to the bottom. So go to here, latest Autodesk online lesson. Okay, for example, today's topic, you just need to click on this topic and register to get the link. Okay, for those that already familiar, you can also directly join. Okay, so to book your seat, make sure you register first. So for today, you cannot register anymore. Okay, but if you plan to have a very good communication, two-way communication from you want to ask question, so just join using our Zoom live. So I give a little bit tour to our landing page. So if you don't know about Acad is one of the Autodesk Gold Partner for Malaysia. So we also as a premium training center, okay, we give very good type of service of training center, okay, including software and also training both. All right, thank you. All right, thank you, Ms. Noor, to join for joining our webinar or for our free online lesson. Okay, this will be our latest promotion from Autodesk at this moment. So if you have previous license, for example, 2010, 2012 license, and you don't use it anymore, so what you can do, you can trade in your license starting from this November 2021 until January. So I suggest you to trade in now because we have extra 20% save from your previous license to get a new license, which is you will get also the name, user, and the latest features from Autodesk products. Okay. Also, the latest news, Autodesk will retire Inventor LT and Inventor LT Suite. Okay, starting from 7th November 2020, for those that have licensed Inventor LT or Inventor LT Suite, okay, you cannot no longer renew your license. What you can do, the alternative way, okay, you can go to Inventor full version, or you can have another option. You can use this one, Fusion 360. So this will be another option if previously you are using Inventor LT. So just change from Inventor LT to Fusion 360 because Autodesk will retire Inventor LT starting from 7 November. Okay, without wasting time, I just go direct to my slide presentation. So this will be our topics for today: iLogic, Autodesk Inventor. All right, this topic is related to my previous topic. Okay, how to check our previous topic? You can go to our Facebook and also go to our YouTube. Just click on like and subscribe to our Facebook page and also YouTube channel. So after that, what you can do, all right, hi Omnistar, thanks for joining. Okay, what you can do, you can check back into my previous topic, which is parametric modeling. Okay, this topic is related from parametric modeling and how the topic going to continue into iLogic. Right, so content for today, I will focus on two types of iLogic. The first iLogic, which is using a new modeling iLogic. So in a new parametric modeling, to set a key and generate a form directly. The second iLogic is using existing model that you already created previously and how to set a user parameter, rule, and also form. Right. Some of you might don't know about iLogic. What is iLogic? Okay. iLogic is one of inventor that allow user and also administrator to create logic in form. So means after this, if you want to create everything, you just need to create a form to change the value. No need to go to your parameter anymore. So rules are developed and organized using snippet or other code. Okay, the sample of code you can check into my right side of my screen here. If, then, and if. This will be the sample of code that you can use after this. Right, so why Inventor iLogic? So to improve your speed, creating multi-value or multi-properties modeling. If you plan to change the material of your part, also you can use this iLogic. So just need to create one code for changing material. So later we will also cover that topic. All right, so I directly go to demonstration iLogic. First one, which is focused on new modeling. All right, thank you all, everyone that joined OmniStar and also No. And for those that join from our Facebook Live, don't forget to share our video first. So because this topic is quite interesting and you will learn a new thing from this topic. Okay, demonstration for new modeling. Okay, for those that want to hands-on, same like what I do, you can go to this link, https://a360.co 3PHC capital K capital LN. All right, for those that want to join, want to also follow my new modeling, how I set, okay, or later you want to check back, just go to our Facebook Live and our Facebook video and also YouTube channel. Okay, this will be the first step of demonstration for today, new modeling. So how to create a form without rules. So it means without any coding, using only parameter, how to create a form. Right, so I go to my, so this will be my Inventor license, or my Inventor software. All right, full assembly for my focus today. I want to focus on this, the bar here. So how to start using this bar to creating iLogic. So first, I need to open a new drawing or a drawing that I already set this one, okay, that I already shared into the previous link. So what my idea is to change the height of this object and also to change the thickness of this object. Right, thank you, Mr. Peter. The link. Okay, hopefully if you also want to just click on this link at the chat box. Okay, what I want to do, I want to create a section, flanges first. Contour flange. And click on this area to change of your item for your parts. And then also change the direction for your extension. Over here, if you go to list parameter, what you can do, this all the parameter that we already create. But the problem is how I want to use the parameter that I need to save first. So what you need, so the first step, using same model, click on this sketch, right click, and click on here, edit sketch. This 2500 is the height of your drawing. So what you can do, you can right click, just simply click h_mm equal. Over here, which is we want to make it as a L_mm equal. And the extrusion for your surface here, I just edit extrusion. Same goes to here, I just make it as a D_mm. D_mm means the height, the length, and also the depth. All the value here. After you check on your parameter, like a previous topic on my parametric modeling, so this will change here. Your model parameter will change into new name, h_mm, L_mm, and also D_mm. Right? So next, we create our contour flange. So I click on here, change the direction. From here, click on, for this case, this one is their H, and change the direction. Same goes to this part. I just need to also create a contour flange, but this time I need to choose the solid, new solid, profile, choose this line. Okay, but this time it's not the H, I change into the value of L. Apply. So same goes to here, also L. So this one is changed, go to inside. Hit apply again. So for this direction, we need to use not L, but we need to use D_mm. Apply. Right, so basically what I'm trying to do, I try to set the value here when I change this H to 3000, same like parametric modeling. So this modeling, this beam or this sheet metal will also follow. Same goes to here, 2000 also will follow. And over here, 1200, 1250 also follow. Right, so this will be the first step of modeling to create iLogic. So what you need to do also, after you're done with the first step, you can do the second step, which is mirror all the object by creating this mirror solid. So I create a new solid here. Okay, the new solid also, and the mirror plane will be go to the origin, for this case, YZ plane. Okay, but the problem is this mirror, I want to make it as a new solid. So need to click on this button, new solid. All right. Also mirror again, for this case, click on this mirror solid, new solid, select object. So the object I want to mirror is this one, 1, 2, and also this one, but it's okay. So mirror plane, I go with XZ plane. We'll change here. Next step for creating iLogic. So to ensure that you don't, you can focus on what you are trying to do. So you can try to unhide, just hide the, just untick the visibility. Right click into a surface, right click and untick into the visibility. Right, thank you, Mr. Solihin, for joining our free online lesson, iLogic modeling. Before, after you creating or after you hide all the things that you don't want to use, so to create an iLogic, you just need to click on here, iLogic. If you don't see here, you need to click on this plus icon, click iLogic. Okay, so I click close, click iLogic. for first step, for first modeling, I want to create a form without rules. So what I need to do, I just click on this form, right click, add form. So by default, this modeling already here. Okay, what I need to do, I just need to rename this one, will be the size elevator. Pick 1, 2, and 3, click here. So your size. If you plan to paste an image for your object, so what you can do, you can click on this toolbox, also click and drag into your label. So for example, I want to put at the top side from of H. So click on this object, this icon, to choose your images. Oh, sorry. So I click again, click on this picture and move up, select the image. Okay, and after you're done with everything, just hit OK. So then you will see here, if you want to change the name also, you just need to right click and edit. This name is about size elevator, without using any rules so far for existing for new modeling. So what you can do over here, you will see the H value, your L value, and also your D value. Okay, if I change the D value to some value, additional value, 2000, enter. So you see your modeling will be updated. Your H 2500. In total, the H will be a bit shorter. So this will be how you want to set your form. First step. Okay, I believe all of you already have your existing model that you already create. So now I go to my slide again. Okay, before I continue to existing model, so far any question from our participant? Okay, if you have any question, you can go to chat and ask any question there. So later I can compile the question and answer together after done with my existing modeling. All right, so far so good. If good, you can comment chat good into our chat box. All right, thank you so much. So the next one, which is existing modeling. How to change the existing modeling that you already create and create this type of form with rules. So what you need to do, I go to here, this will be my model and this will be my rule. So I delete first the gripper. Okay, refer back to my drawing here. What I want to do, this modeling, I want to create from zero. Okay, so no rules, no form, and also no parameter. Starting from zero, this will be your existing model. So the first step you need to do, you need to check your parameter, which parameter that have a very good, for example, in this area, the grip distance. So I already changed the value to half, 1 mm. Okay, for example, I changed the value. Okay, D261 is the mirror for this part. Okay, for this case, I want to change the value into 5 mm. So what you see, this can be changed. 5, 8, and 20 ohms, so on. Okay, to start your iLogic, same like previous one, the first form. So you just need to click on this add form. Okay, same goes to previous one, H underscore, D underscore, and also L underscore. So this form, I changed name from form 1 to gripper. So it means we know that this form is for the gripper. So just drag on this hub and add images again. Okay, image I put at the top side. Also add again to add image. Okay, for this case, I don't want to create the text box. I don't want to key in the value one by one. I want to make it the value as a slider. So what I need to do over here, you can see edit control type, from text box change to slider. Change to slider. So now the value will be the type of your box, your properties will be changed. So if you want to change from a certain value to a certain value, so what you can do, you can click on this minimum value. For example, my minimum value is 5 and my maximum value is 20. And the step will be 0.5. Hit OK. So this gripper, what we can do, every single step for your slider will be 0.5 value. And the maximum value will be 20. And the minimum value will be 5. So this will be the first step using same like previous parameter. And now I want to change the value using rules. So to create rules, click on this iLogic rules, right click, add rules. So this rule I choose gripper. Right, so basically the rules that I will use for today will be the rules that I shared into my previous slide on this fourth page. Parameter something, type and something, and also properties. So they will have 3 types of rule, okay, including the number of hole, the size, and also the material. So these 3 things that I will focus. Okay, so before I start, I just need to create the first user parameter. So the first parameter, which is hole, H-O-L-E-S. So the unit I change into unitless, and this value I make it 4. So this hole will represent the number of this hole. So I want to make it consistently change from 4, 8, 6, and certain value. Okay, the next one I want to add text. So this one for material. So for this material, I need to have a few value of material. So I make it a multi-value. The first value I will use gold, silver, and also copper. Okay, this will be the basic value. If you use aluminium 6061, you can type in the basic value using Inventor, the built-in value that already have here. If you create your own value also, no problem, no issue. Click here, copper, gold, and silver. Also next, this one, I make it type. Type multi-value, long, medium, and also short. Long, medium, and short. Okay, we start with our rules, add rules. So gripper again. Okay. The first step, what I want to do, which is the hole. So the hole is represent on these parts. This plate part, which is this one, adapter plate. So I need to go to here, and also I need to go to this parameter. So you will see the number of hole over here. Okay, but before I start, I just need to click on this hole first. I need to just make sure that this hole already inside my user parameter. So what we need to do, just click on here, click, double click. Okay, parameter, you just need to double click only. No need to worry to key in one by one. Parameter adapter plate, comma, number of hole, which is the parameter, is equal to semicolon HOLES. Or you can just leave it like this, click on this hole. Also can. No need semicolon. Yeah. okay, as a whole. Okay, the second parameter that I want to use, which is the material for also this split. Okay, the material used for this split, I just need to go to this site, snippet system iProperties, to choose the material of component. Okay, the material of component adapter plate is equal to material. So can get it? Parameter is equal to whole, parameter from here, and iProperties for material is same like this material, which is our user parameter. Okay, and the last part, which is I want to use if, then, and if. So my expression, which is here, I need to go to my holder and click on my model parameter, this length. Okay, so they have two things we need to change over here. The first one, when the type is equal to short, then enter. I go to my holder parameter, then the parameter holder length is equal to 20. I'm sorry. If I want to continue, you can just select everything, copy. This one just need to add else if. The type is medium, then the value will change to 35. And copy again for another one, for last part. This one change to long, and the value will change to 50. After you're done with everything, if you want to check back, you can go to my slide, okay, and or you can also refer back to the video that we already published later. So just check my coding here. So what you have to do, you just need to save and run. Click again this form, edit, and just input the data, the information here. So for example, this one, I want to make it a new group. Okay, this group, I want to add the images over here. One whole, go to inside here. Also go inside here. Right, so what will happen to my modeling? I can do something like this. This will be my gripper. So number of hole, I change to 8. This one short, medium, and long. So this will be my hub. Okay, and this will be my number of hole. If I change to 4, you see the number of hole will also updated. Also same like the material. So click on this silver material and the copper material. You can change. Okay, the rules for this case, to get your object can be moved, you see I just use a very simple rule, which parameter hold something, iProperties material of component is equal to material, type if, then, else, and if. Only this type of rules that I use. Normally this will be the basic one that every single iLogic will use. But if you require additional one, for example, you want to set a very good modeling. For example, your model cannot less than 5, then the error pop-up also you can make it using these iLogic rules. All right, so far any question from participant, from all participants? So I hope you can clear about our free online lesson for this for today, which is covered the topic of iLogic. Okay, if don't have any question, you can later you can read on our pool. So this will be our product design manufacturing collection. For those that use at least 2 software, for example, you are using AutoCAD plus Inventor. So I really suggest you to go with product design manufacturing collection, because this bundle will give you a very good value by purchase one bundle and get all these solution, this product design manufacturing software and solution. So you can use Inventor Professional to create a 3D modeling and also pipe design, tube and pipe design, including the beam content to transfer to Revit. Okay, if you are from manufacturing side, okay, that work with construction side, you can create your parts. For example, I am the someone that create icon. So I create my icon and I want to give to construction site 3D modeling. So use Inventor Professional Beam Exchange to give to them the RFA model. Also go to our Plant 3D, also no issue using Inventor. CAM to create a 2.5 until 5 axis CNC machining G code. You will get the G code, and those that if you want to transfer to your machine, you can use a pen drive, thumb drive, and so on. So this will be the solution that you will have. And I will like to launch our polls. So because we get a few participants, that I hope this topic are good for you and you learn so much from here. Okay, from my screen here. All right. Thanks for voting. Thanks, Mr. Solihin, for joining, and also thank Nor Shakirin for joining. And hopefully you can join our next free online lesson by go to our Acadsystems website. Okay, this will be end pooling, share result. Okay, by go to our Acadsystems website, acadsystems.com. Okay, for tomorrow we have one good topic for those that keep redo the 2D drafting by using AutoCAD raster design. And for those that from Revit side, you can join our FOL free online lesson 2D AutoCAD drawing to 3D Revit on 17 November. Okay, and then don't forget to share our video if you like this. If you think this video are very helpful, you can share this video to your feed. And don't forget to like our Facebook page and also YouTube page after this. Okay, just click on this like button and also click on this subscribe button on our Facebook page and also YouTube channel. Right, that's it for me for today. I don't get any questions so far. Okay, thanks a lot for everyone. I hope everyone enjoy this free online lesson. If you require any topics, okay, you can contact me through email or you can call us. Okay, if you want to know the phone number of the office phone number, okay, you can email me at shafiqfarhan@acadsystems.com or just go to our website again, click on this office, our KL branch office number and also Penang branch office number, drop us a call and request for any topic that you want so we can arrange for next free online lesson. All right, thank you so much everyone, and hopefully you enjoy my free online lesson, and don't forget to join our free online lesson tomorrow. Okay,